Hello, my name is Ronald. I live in Sweden, and I have just, after maybe half a year ago, I bought this lovely CNC turning machine directly from JINAN, CNC in the city JINAN in China. And after about 8 weeks, it arrived at Costomers here at the seaport, and then there was a transportation to the car here to my little village in Öresund. It is from the beginning about 600 shapes prepared in the computer, which arrived. You get the computer here, included. But to be able to do this your own shapes, you must create a DXF file in the CAD program. And I have a program called Fusion 360, so that's possible. I have had a lot of help from China, I must say. They throw the program once up, and I'm very happy about this machine. I have some balls here, and they are pretty good. I also drill a hole in the bottom to have a weight with some metal to make them more heavy. If you are doing long pieces, you can put this one instead of the this. Here you have something standing on top. Thank you for watching.